Tender greens topped with tomatoes, green beans, potatoes, red onions, and premium canned tuna, finished with capers, olives, eggs, and a light lemon-Dijon vinaigrette. Show-stopping presentation, mouth-watering deliciousness. Let's make a tuna salad niçoise. First created on the French Riviera in Nice, France, a salade niçoise is known the world over for its beautiful presentation and memorable flavors. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it. It all begins with us whisking up a lemon-Dijon vinaigrette. Let's start by zesting one lemon. We're going to take the same zester and we're going to run 2 cloves of garlic over it, turns the garlic into very fine bits. We're then going to cut that lemon in half and juice it. Now into a medium-sized bowl, the garlic, the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, the lemon zest. Let's continue with 1 to 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's whisk those ingredients together to combine. Next, we need you to grab a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Slowly drizzle the oil in while whisking to combine. Taste, you can add more salt and pepper to taste, then refrigerate the vinaigrette until you're ready to serve. Just a suggestion, we think you should double the recipe. It's such a great vinaigrette on other salads too. Next, we need to boil up and chill 3 ingredients. Let's start with 2 cups of fresh green beans. Let's trim the stem ends away from the beans. We're going to place them into a small pot. Bring the pot to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, time for 1 minute. Then immediately strain and plunge the beans into a bowl of cold iced water. We're going to strain them and then dab them with paper towel to dry them a bit. Next, about 2 cups of new potatoes. They go into a larger pot, bring to a boil, reduce to medium and cook for maybe 15 minutes. Depending on the size you want those taters, fork tender. We're going to drain them, run them in cold water, and then give them a pat dry. You can cut them in half. Our last boil, 4 eggs. Place the eggs into a pot, temperature to high. As soon as the eggs start to boil, reduce the temperature to medium, cook for 8 minutes. Then strain, put them in cold water, cool them down completely, then peel them, set them to the side. We're crafting this niçoise salad today using tuna. 2 cans of the good stuff packed in olive oil, so flavorful and tender. Strain away the oil, then flake the tuna in a medium-sized bowl. Now the rest of the components for this salad. You'll need 2 or 3 tomatoes quartered, a half of a red onion thinly sliced, have 2 tablespoons of capers drained and at the ready. Also, you're going to need to track this down, niçoise olives. You'll need a half a cup for the recipe. They're small and delicate with a nutty flavor. Look for them in the deli section of the grocery store or fine food shop. Lastly, go green. Pick fresh greens like Bib or butter lettuce or curly. Give the greens a rinse, then rip them into kinda large pieces. So now everything's ready. 2 options. You can simply place everything into a bowl, dress, toss, and serve. But I only do that when I'm pressed for time or when my friends and family are really hangry. Instead, I wanted to serve the salade niçoise today composed. Watch this. A larger platter or white shallow dish, add the lettuce, then each component. The tomatoes go down in a grouping. Next, the green beans, the red onions, the potatoes halved. Then we're gonna add the tuna down the center. The niçoise olives make 2 appearances at either end. Then sprinkle the dish with capers. I quartered the eggs, they're perfectly prepared. Add them in and about all of the other components. You can add a sprinkle of black pepper. Then we're gonna whisk and drizzle the lemon-Dijon vinaigrette. Before sending the platter to table, I do a sprinkle of sea salt flakes, serve a bit more vinaigrette and capers on the side, along with warmed French baguette with butter, absolutely. But wait, watch what happens. Luncheon or dinner size plates, let guests help themselves to salade niçoise. I am so ready to dig into the salad, but I better wait because I gotta tell you something important. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this beautiful, take a photo of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. A classic tuna salade niçoise. Incroyable. Incredible.